Hanipah from UTEM will present about the smart machine. So, to you, how the vending machine works.
Hello, my name is Muhammad and I will talk about the function of the vending machine. Vending machine is a kind of money-operated machine which dispenses goods automatically such as snacks, beverage, and food and other consumer products. This machine allows the customer to get what they want after inserting a certain amount of money or credit into this machine. Usually, this machine will be seen at college campus, hospital, factories, and where the food service is provided.
Advantage of vending machines are to enabling customers to buy beverage without the need for long queue and wait time. Second is they can choose any beverage that they prefer. And third one is they can get this at good condition at any time of the day.
Since we know the function, we'll be there to step how vending machine work. For step 1, insert the coin or banknote into the money slot. There are two options where RM1 for tin beverage and RM2 for a bottle beverage. Second step, select button. This beverage vending machine use coding system, which are the combination of letter and number. After inserted money, you can select preferred drink. For example, press the D4 to water Mirinda strawberry. Next step, processing. Once item is chosen, the machine will move toward the code of the item that was set. The item goes in the machine shown before dispensed through the box on the below. Step 4, which is last step, take the items. The final step, you can take item that has been sent and enjoy for your drink.